This is Carlos. It's raining, drizzling in Central Florida. What can I say? Here she is, guys. I put Minwax semi-gloss clear, and she looks great. I'm gonna probably put this one back in the car because it's starting to drizzle again, unfortunately. All right, here we go. There she is. Retracts. All right. Retracts galore. A little trim issue here, and here she comes right at you. Yeah, hammerheads are just fantastic with this model. Keeping her close so you guys could see. Flies delightful. Very true, very good response, even with incorrect trim levels. I don't know when this drizzle is going to let up, but I had to fly. The ESC is pretty much protected because I got some tape in there, and it still gets airflow, but I think the rain is pretty much isolated from entering. The motor is a different story, of course. She flies and looks great in the air with those retracts. I wonder why Horizon doesn't do the same thing with the E-Flight version of this thing. It used to be Park Zone. They didn't like that name, whatever. So now it's all E-Flight now. They changed over to E-Flight part numbers and everything. That's how anal they've gotten. They don't want to be associated with some, I guess, amateurish name like Park Zone. They're trying to steer away from the Park Flyer type of image. Oh well, too bad. There was nothing wrong with it, in my opinion. Whoa! All right, landing. All right, enough of this rain. I'm gonna have to dry her out now. Holy shit, man. Unbelievable. This rain is just on and on and on and on. When I started preparing out here, it was bone dry. It wasn't raining. But no, it decided to rain. Shoot. All right. Get her in the car. Unbelievable.